Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for watching. In today's video, we're diving into the latest news and updates from Disneyland Paris, covering everything you need to know about what's happening across the resort. If you enjoy Disneyland Paris news and updates, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's jump into the latest from Disneyland Paris. More magic is coming to Frontierland at Disneyland Paris. By the end of summer 2026, guests will discover an enhanced journey along rivers of the Far West at Thunder Mesa Riverboat Landing. As the iconic Molly Brown glides gently across the water, new scenes will unfold along the riverbanks, inspired by the original drawings of Imagineer and Disney legend Mark Davis. A lone buffalo stands proudly on the open prairie, while playful raccoons and a curious skunk drift past on a floating log, bringing subtle movement and life to the landscape. These newly designed figures have been specially created by the Walt Disney Imagineering Paris teams, carefully reimagined to blend seamlessly into the timeless world of Thunder Mesa. All of this in 2026, Rivers of the Far West will offer not just a journey through Frontierland, but a richer story filled with detail, charm, and classic Disney magic. New improvements are coming to the area surrounding the Hollywood Tower Hotel at Walt Disney Studios Park. Work is currently underway on a brand new covered outdoor waiting area for the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, scheduled to open in spring 2026. This newly themed space will expand the story of the Hollywood Tower Hotel, representing the remains of what was once a glamorous patio, a relaxing courtyard with an outdoor pool enjoyed by the elite of the show business world. Over time, the courtyard fell into disarray, and today, every detail tells a silent story of what went wrong. From carefully selected materials to architectural details inspired by Pueblo Deco design, the area has been crafted to blend seamlessly with the original hotel's aesthetic. Scattered props and decor elements throughout the queue will reveal subtle clues about the tragic events that occurred here, slowly preparing guests for what awaits them inside the hotel. Just next door, another transformation is taking place. A new merchandise location inspired by 1930s flower shops is set to open in early 2026. The existing structure has been completely reworked into a boutique that blends harmoniously into World Premiere Plaza and its Art Deco theater district. Inside, guests will discover an authentic atmosphere filled with thoughtful details, from flower bouquets and vintage photographs to a classic refrigerator, similar to those once used by Californian florists of the era. Together, these additions will further enrich the storytelling and atmosphere around the Hollywood Tower Hotel, adding new layers of detail to this iconic corner of the park. A major refurbishment is now underway for Ratatouille, l'aventure Totalement Toquée de Rémy at Disneyland Paris. Since October 2025, Imagineers and Disneyland Paris teams have been working behind the scenes to bring this beloved attraction to the next level. On the menu for this renovation is a generous serving of technical upgrades and scenic enhancements, all designed to offer guests an even more immersive journey into the world of Pixar Animation Studios' Ratatouille. The attraction's queue will be enriched with a brand new scene depicting a Parisian artist's studio filled with delightful details. From canvases lining the walls and paint splatters scattered across the space, to a tempting fruit basket that may catch the attention of every curious rat in the neighborhood, the environment will feel more alive than ever. New props, enhanced projections, and larger-than-life set pieces are currently being produced. These additions will bring extra flavor to key scenes and further enhance the illusion of being shrunk down to the size of Remy and his friends. When the attraction reopens, guests can expect a richer, more dynamic experience that celebrates the magic, humor, and scale of Ratatouille in an entirely new way. Big changes are coming to Annette's Diner at Disney Village. The iconic restaurant will temporarily close on the 5th of January 2026 as Imagineers prepare for a major refurbishment set to last several months. This renovation will focus on expanding the kitchens and completely refreshing the dining room, from the floors to the furniture, while carefully preserving the charm and retro atmosphere that guests have loved since 1992. Several iconic elements will be reimagined, including the bar, which will receive a brand new layout and design inspired by the distinctive chrome look of classic American diners. The booths will also be transformed, featuring a new design inspired by 1950s car seats in era-appropriate colors like pink, blue, and vanilla yellow. When Annette's Diner reopens, guests will enjoy a slightly increased seating capacity while stepping straight back into the golden age of rock and roll. With its refreshed look and timeless spirit, Annette's Diner will once again bring the magic of the 1950s to life, delighting generations of guests old and new. Big changes are on the horizon for Disney Sequoia Lodge. Starting January 2026, major refurbishment work will begin to enhance the guest experience, while carefully preserving the lodge's iconic wooden decor and warm, authentic atmosphere. The redesign will elevate the lodge's tribute to the beauty of nature, taking inspiration from the surrounding forests and following the traditions set by Walt Disney and his team of animators. Every space, from the guest rooms to the lobby, as well as shopping and dining locations, will be reimagined as an ode to wildlife, creating the perfect environment to relax and let your imagination wander. The hotel will remain open during the refurbishment, with work being carried out in phases to minimize disruption for guests. These projects are just a glimpse of the exciting transformations happening across the resort, with even more surprises planned for your next visit to Disneyland Paris. Stay tuned for more updates as Disney Sequoia Lodge prepares to welcome guests to a refreshed and even more magical experience. Attention Space Rangers! Buzz Lightyear Laser Blast is officially reopening after several months of extensive renovations. Guests can now get a sneak peek at the work done on the attraction's blacklight system, one of many major improvements completed over the past 6 months. During this refurbishment, teams from Walt Disney Imagineering Paris, maintenance, and the Central Workshops worked closely together to restore this iconic Discoveryland dark ride and its galaxy to their former glory. From enhanced lighting effects to refreshed show elements, every detail has been carefully updated to elevate the intergalactic experience. Now, visitors to Disneyland Paris can once again join the ranks of Star Command and blast off on an even more thrilling mission through the stars. Night falls over Adventure Bay, but the lake is alive with activity. Technicians are rehearsing the central structure that will hold fountains, lights, projectors, and pyrotechnics each evening from March 29, 2026. Once in place, 379 aerial and aquatic drones take flight, reflecting off the lake to create a stunning cascade of light. Producer Ben Spalding and his team worked for years with Dronesos to make this show closer to the audience than ever. Every detail, from drones to pyrotechnics, has been choreographed in 3D for perfect timing. The story centers on inspiration, guided by characters like Mulan, Moana, Hercules, Judy Hopps, and Carl Fredricksen, each embodying courage, honor, and determination to connect with the audience. Music, performed by a 90-piece orchestra at Abbey Road, drives the rhythm, while projections on water curtains bring each character to life. Every seat offers a full 360-degree view. Even at this scale, the show minimizes environmental impact with electric boats and residue-free pyrotechnics. Disney Cascade of Lights is more than a show. It's a breathtaking festival of water, light, and emotion, leaving guests with unforgettable memories under the stars. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this latest Disneyland Paris update. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our news and behind-the-scenes adventures. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for more Disney magic.